Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize the times command, which allows you to do multiple initializations. So this is really cool if you're creating some sort of table or array where you want to have a certain size and you want to assign an initial value. It could also just be used, maybe you want to create a string, and instead of typing out the same character, I don't know, 20 times, you can just do this particular times command, and it's really simple. So if we create a variable, and I'm going to call this zeros, so I'm just going to have a bunch of zeros. I want to put colon. Now to do it, you put times. Now the number of times that you want this particular thing to repeat, or how long you want your array to be. So let's say if I say 20, for example, and then you can specify whether you want it as dB, you want to define it as a byte or a word, or whatever. I'm going to define it as a word, and now you specify what your actual initial value is going to be, or what's going to be repeated this many times. So I'm just going to say the character 0, and now what we'll do is here we'll print it out. So we'll write zeros, specify the length of 20, and if we run it, we get a bunch of zeros, but we only get we're only getting 10 of them and not 20. So let's have a look what's happening here. Okay, 0, I don't think, could it be because I've defined it as a word? We could define it as, a quad word, so that should be DQ. Nope, that's definitely not it. Okay, that was interesting. So if we do it as define it as a regular byte, we should be over 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, that's fine. So if we define it as a byte, that seems okay. Fantastic. And okay, so if we was to change this to, I don't know, 30, this doesn't get updated. We need to update this like so, and we get 30 times. But we want to make it a bit more dynamic, so we can basically do the same thing as this, where we're calculating the length. So we can say zeros len. You can call this whatever you want. EQU, so it's going to equate it $dash, and then we specify the variable that we are essentially counting, and here we specify zeros len. Run it. Still works the same way. If I just put 5 here, we'll just get 5 zeros. So that's how you do multiple initializations using the times command, which is really useful for arrays and tables. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.